Meaning of forethought.
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 Forethought. Forethought means the act of thinking and planning ahead of time. It refers to the ability to consider the potential outcomes of one's actions and make decisions based on careful consideration of the future consequences. Someone who possesses forethought is able to anticipate potential problems and develop strategies to prevent or mitigate them. The result of forethought is often success in achieving one's goals without encountering unexpected obstacles or setbacks. Applying forethought is a valuable skill in many areas of life, including business, relationships, and personal development.